Do you want to add a label in the Messenger chat list? You can add labels in Facebook Messenger chats with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to add label in Messenger. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To add a label in Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in Messenger, scroll through your list of chats and tap on the conversation to which you want to add a label. At the top of the screen, you'll see your friend's name along with video and audio call icons. On the right side of the name, you may see a label icon next to the audio and video call icons. If you find the label icon, tap on it. Sometimes this label feature is available inside the profile details screen, so I recommend checking there. If the label option isn't visible, you might need to update your Messenger app, or this feature might not be available in your region. Once you tap on the Add Label icon, a new screen will appear. From here, choose a label from the list of options, which includes choices like lead, ordered, paid, booked, and more. After selecting your label, tap on Save to apply it to the conversation. Now, you'll see the label at the top of the chat conversation and in the chat list on the home screen.